Hi guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia and I talk about all things curly, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. For today's video, I'm actually super excited because I'm gonna be unboxing a piece that I bought for this part of the studio, my little filming area. And I know what it is, obviously, but I have not opened it yet and I wanted to open it with you guys because I'm just so excited. And yeah, so I figured what would be a better thing to do than to show you guys my initial reaction seeing something I already know that I bought. But excuse my pineapple, it kind of has a mind of its own today and I just didn't know what to do with my hair, so I was like, you know what, let's just keep it in a pineapple because why not? But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. I'm also gonna tag my social handles so you guys could follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I've been taking over my basement, like I said in a previous video, and I decided I kind of wanted to get a fun colored couch. I was gonna do pink because pink is like actually one of my favorite colors, but green also, it has been one of my new faves. And I've been loving this like emerald green. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna go with green. And I bought this cute little love seat. And this is a piece that I'm gonna add. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with this wall. It is kind of, I don't know what to explain it, but it has like a texture to it that I don't know if I like. It gives it a different vibe, so I don't mind keeping it. I might do something different with it. Maybe I'll do some tile or something. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it yet. I was gonna do wallpaper, but since it is textured, I don't want it to look bumpy and weird, so we shall see. I'm still looking around trying to get different ideas and creating little mood boards for this little room, but I'm so excited to show you guys what is in this box. I'm so excited. All right, so let's get into opening it because I'm really excited. I'll be totally honest with you guys. I've been wanting one of these. Yeah, I'm literally opening it like a psycho. I've been wanting one of these for so long. And once I decided I was going to switch up my room, this little area to film in, I was like, you know what? This is the perfect time to do so. I wanna be careful with it because I don't want it to like break. Let's see what's in this box. I love how I'm acting like I don't know what's in it when I ordered it, but I still like to be super surprised when I open my packages because I'm just like, I don't know. Every time I get a new package, I get so excited. I like turn into a little kid. I've been wanting one of these for the absolute longest. Like I have been on a prowl for this, but then I didn't know exactly where I would put it. So then I wanted to get one of these for my room, which I think I still might. Obviously it's not gonna be the same exact style, but kind of like, I don't know. I guess I'll keep you guys posted if I do put it in my room. Okay, oh, I think I opened it backwards. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I gotta open this side now, sorry guys. I got it. I'm so excited. Okay, so it comes with this little paper in it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, are you guys ready to see what it is? Are you guys ready? I don't think you're ready. Still in the plastic, but this, it's my name in a neon sign. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me take it out of the plastic so you guys can see it as well. So I decided I wanted to get a neon sign with my curly handle on it, only because I've always wanted a neon sign. And you know what's so funny? When I was younger, I know a lot of kids probably used to do this, but I wanted to be an actress so bad. Like I wanted to be on Disney Channel. Like, so probably just like every other kid, I wanted to get my little thing. I wanted to be like, this is Noelia and you're watching Disney Channel. And I wanted to do the whole like, dun, 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 dun. That was literally such a dream for me. So I would personally sign myself up for acting sites and they would call my house, like the recruiters would call my house. Let me open this box. So yeah, so the recruiters would call my house and what's so funny is they would call my mom and she'd be like, how did you get our number? And I made it seem like, oh my God, I guess this is just fate. Like they want me to be an actress. And she's like, stop calling. Like she's not trying to be an actress. But I never actually admitted that it was me who would put my name and info down. So anyways, point of this story is I used to always say I wanted to see my name in lights. And you know what? Maybe I'm not an actress, but my name sure as hell is gonna be in lights. Guys, look how cool this is. Yo, this is so exciting. I need to turn it on so you guys could see what color I chose. I've never seen one of these in person. Like, I haven't seen one like them. That's just so crazy. I love this. Okay. Oh, cute. I just still can't believe that I bought this. I've been wanting this, and I think I'm gonna put it like back here somewhere. Maybe like back here somewhere. So it's like kind of in the background. Or I don't know, I gotta figure it out because I kind of want it to be a big part of this. So I finally hooked it up. So we hooked it up, okay? We're gonna turn it on together at the same time. I was able to get batteries for this, so I didn't even know this needed batteries. Thank God I had some. But it has options on here. It says on, off, there's a speed, there's percentages. So we're gonna go ahead and press on for the first time together so we can see our initial reaction. Ready? 1, 2. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? You guys, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, it's like the perfect corally pink. Let's see where it would go. So it could go back here somewhere. Guys, how freaking cute is that? This is exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. So I guess this has different settings. Let me see if you change the LED. Oh, cool. You can get it to do. Oh, okay. So it has like a little timer at the bottom where you can leave it on for a certain amount of time. I think this is either the minutes. Definitely not the seconds, it has to be the minutes. And then you can press the percentages. Oh, okay, so they have percentages. So it has 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's see what 100% looks like. Okay, 20. Oh, I guess you have to progressively ease your way up. 50, 60. 70, 80, 90, and 100. This is so dope, guys. This is literally everything I wanted and more. And I'm just so excited to like, just put this back here, and it's just such a vibe. Like, how much of a, now I'm like a whole vibe, you know? So I will put all the information as to where I found this seller. So I was gonna go with one that I looked up on Google, but they were pricey. Like, these signs can go up to like $600, $600, and I'm like, yeah, we're not doing that. I mean, I was gonna do it, believe it or not, because I wanted one so bad, but I was like, where else can I find a neon sign? So I Googled it, and then some sellers on Etsy popped up, and I communicated with a few. The one that stuck out to me the most was this guy. He was very consistent and would follow up with me 24/7, so I never felt like I never felt there was a disconnect at all. He was very informative with how do you want your lights to look like this, when they're off they're gonna look like this, and the fonts, just selecting the fonts alone, I probably had him redo it like 6 or 7 times. So shout out to him. I'm really happy and excited with the way this turned out. It is a little flimsy in the sense where like you should not just grab it without holding it on both sides. But it does feel like a good quality piece. Just here for it. And believe it or not, I spent a fraction of what the other sites were charging me. For this sign, I believe I spent, with tax and everything, I believe it was like $230. And honestly, I don't think that's so bad because I've wanted one so bad and I was already willing to spend a little more. But the fact that I got this so affordable and it came out perfect, I am just so happy. I'm so happy. So I can't wait to bring you guys along. I don't know what else I'm gonna put back there because maybe I won't put anything else and just have the sign with the chair and just have it be the vibe, you know? I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should add something else or just keep the sign? Maybe I'll help you guys help me decorate this little space. and then we can figure something out. But I'm just so excited. I'm gonna hang this up, probably not today, because I just got it today and I want to make sure that I know exactly where I want to put it. I want to mess with it a little bit, so I'm probably not going to put it up today, but I will let you guys know when I do. I just wanted to keep you guys posted and get you guys updated with what's gonna happen in this little space here. And I figured it would be a cool little Vlogmas video, because like, why not? I'm gonna bring you guys more into my day-to-day life and show you guys what excites me and all the weird stuff. I'm so freaking weird, so I kind of want you guys to get a gist of who I really am, aside from just me being all about curls and stuff, because of course I'm all about my curls, like we know this. But I'm also into like house decor and different things, like, you know, I want to start switching over to more lifestyle, like I say in my intro, like I talk about lifestyle. And yeah, so I do want to start bringing you guys more along with me with, you know, little things like this. Maybe we can start vlogging more, you guys can come shopping with me, and this could be like our little projects, you know? So I'm definitely excited, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want to show you guys my sign. I know that might be really random, but I wanted to show you guys my new sign. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys can be caught up with all the news and all the new videos and content and all the fun stuff. So go ahead and subscribe down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.